and gentlemen, I need a helping pair of hands. See, I've been shot by the arrow of arrogance. And ever since, my common sense has me convinced that when I breathe, I exhale excellence. But first, I must tell you the cause of this problem. See, I was born so normal, but I blossomed to awesome. And now I'm trapped in a maze of amazing. I am standing and outstanding. So when I sit down, you better believe it. I am seated, conceited. Yes, I've taken a stumble from humble, but honestly, how could I live modestly when I do everything so flawlessly? Everything is what I do best. I am the key to success. I guess you can call me Superman, but that bring me no excitement. Because frankly, I do many things that I'm sure that even Clark can't. I can do things that you can't even understand. I can take the balance out of winter so that it doesn't spring. I can catch summer so that it doesn't fall. I mean it when I say this, I can do it all. And yes, I've tried to hide my pride, but it seems my self-esteem still soars higher than an ego, and my ego won't let me go. So again, I say this, my friends, I need a helping pair of hands. To clap for me, yes, clap for me, yes, I'm the only business, this is a monopoly, I'm incomparable, because there's no analogy worthy to acknowledge me. I'm a prodigy, so my ego will make no apology. In fact, I should be wrapped and carry a red bow because I'm so gifted. And I speak to myself just to feel uplifted, because I'm the great ruler. Better yet, the meter stick. But even that cannot measure the greatness of my leadership. In the class of great men, I'm valedictorian. My name will go down in the books, tell your historian. So applause for the cause as I take my bow. Recognize just how I'm holier than thou. Come on, spoil me, I am royalty. Chant for the champ, raise my praise, or it'll keep my sleep. It'll kidnap my naps, it'll arrest my rest. So release my peace, show me I'm the best. Put me up on cloud 9 and cloud my proud mind. Fill my head up like a piñata. Make it seem frank as in Sinatra. Clap, oh, bravo, bravo. I know, I'm so indescribable. Is my head about to explode? It is probable, but unstoppable. So don't think I'll be ending it, because even if I don't say I'm the best, I'll be thinking it. And I'll never cause the applause to pause. Me without the honors, that's not even plausible. Where would the applauses go? They must all be for me, I'm so sorry. But I need all the glory. I need all the fanfare I can bear. I need a standing ovation for every occasion, in every location, from every position. So please, won't you give me my consolation? Get out your seats and get on your feet and give me a standing ovation.
I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. I'm the world's greatest.